Here's everything I bought at a Japanese convenience store in Maryland. Okay, that was a lie. I bought some Pocky sticks, but I've already tried them because we're doing like a Pocky taste test, and it's gonna be hard to get my authentic reaction since I've already tried them. But we do have white peach sparkling water, avocado and cheese Doritos, I think, and Fanta that looks like it was for people in the military. So I think that I'm gonna start with the avocado Doritos. Very green. Cheers. So which one should I start with? Should I do this one's very cute because it's got jelly puff, or the Fanta? I'm actually really excited for the Fanta, so I'm gonna save that for last. I'm gonna do little Jigglypuff white peach sparkling drink. Oh goodness. It smells good. It smells like peach. I like that. But you could smell it. It smells like really good. Not your typical bland sparkling water, if you know. And last but hopefully not least, the Fanta. It kind of smells like sparkling grape juice, like, you know, like getting like, it's like a wine looking bottle. Sorry. 3, 2, 1, cheers. Tastes like sparkling grape juice. I like that. So I'm gonna rate these. This one, 10 out of 10 on the packaging. I don't know why it looks like this. 10 out of 10 on packaging. This one, I mean, it's just a green bag. I'm gonna say 5 out of 10 on packaging. Solid 6. Taste-wise, this is the best.